So hello students. So in the last class we have studied about two important logic combination logic circuit, that is your demultiplexer. What are the application of demultiplexer? Demultiplexer is also known as your data distributor. It is particularly used to convert serial to parallel, one to many circuit or serial to parallel conversion. It is also a universal logic circuit. Similarly, we have also studied about decoder, which is very important with respect to your analog to digital communication or analog to digital converter. Everywhere we will see the application of decoder, because decoder is a circuit which is going to convert your binary to any other code. Similarly, in this class we will study about encoder. Encoder just the opposite of decoder. So I have written here, it is encoder converts other code to binary code. It converts other code to it converts other code to binary code. Other code means hexadecimal to binary, octal to binary, decimal to binary. Any other code, any other information which you give digitally to encoder circuit, it will convert it into binary. So it is also a many to many circuit. That means you have many input as well as many output. It is not like your multiplexer or demultiplexer, where in case of multiplexer we have many input and single output. In case of demultiplexer we have a single input, many output. But in case of decoder and encoder we have many to many circuit. That means many input as well as many output. Similarly, I have written here few examples that are the application of encoder, that is it converts octal to binary, hexadecimal to binary, like that. Then how this encoder, what are the types of encoder? So you will have types of encoder are 3:8 or 4:16, 5 is to 8 is to 3, 16 is to 4. This left hand side always indicates your input, right hand side indicates your output. For example, hexadecimal. Hexadecimal we have 16 number, that is 0 to 15. Now each number is coded as binary, that is your 4 output. For example, you have hexadecimal number as A, its binary equivalent is 1010. Hexadecimal number is 8, its binary equivalent is 1000. So each number is coded in binary as 4 bits. 4 bits. Hence, we need 16 input but 4 output. Similarly, 32 is to 5. So these are the types of encoder. So we will see now how the circuit will be. We will see now how the circuit will look like. 8x3 encoder. So you will have 8 inputs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here also you have to apply one enable, and we have 3 output. So this is your I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 and I7, and this is your Y0, Y1 and Y2. So we have 8 input and we have 3 output. This is your type of 8:3 encoder. So now the homework for you, to design the logic. First try to implement the truth table and then write the logic expression and implement it by using your logic gates. Just revise your decoder, just opposite of decoder is your encoder. So try it by yourself. If at all any doubt, you can ask me. So next combination circuit we will see. which is very important, that is your comparator. So next we will see comparator circuits. So the comparator circuit means, as the name itself signify, the name itself, from the name you can see that is some comparison will take place. That is, we are going to compare two bits or two or many bits by using this circuit. So for example, this, suppose I have 1 1, 1 0 and 0 1. In this comparison, so if I compare this bit with this bit, that means these two bits are equal. That is, here also 1, here also 1. Here, suppose this is a bit 1 and this is a bit 0. So this bit is greater than this bit. In this case, 0 and 1, if I compare these two bits, obviously this is less than 0, is obviously less than 1. So three cases, that means we have three output and we are going to give you two inputs. That is, we are going to compare only one bit and one bit. Now we will study about 1 bit, 2 bit comparator. So here three output, either the bits are equal or greater or lesser. So that we will, this thing we should keep in mind. Now I will design the logic circuit for you. So for example, we have, this is your comparator circuit. So suppose you have two bits like A and B. So now I am going to compare A with B, and here we have output like X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. So when, suppose X is the case where A is equal to B, Y is the case where A greater than B, Z is the case where A less than B. This is the three case. या तो इक्वल होंगे दोनों बिट्स, या A बड़ा होगा B से, या A लेस देन B मीन्स A छोटा होगा B से. ठीक है. तो how will design this condition by using our logic circuit. This is the target. So we have A, B. So we have two inputs and now we will draw the truth table. ठीक है, अभी हम ट्रूथ टेबल ड्रॉ करेंगे कंपैरेटर सर्किट के लिए. सो वी हैव टू इनपुट्स A and B and we have three output X, Y and Z. So A, B means we will take four possible combinations because we have two variable here. So 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So X is the case where A equal to B. So A equal to B, here A equal to B. This is the case where A equal to B. This is also the case where A equal to B. That means 0 0, 1 1. So this is the case where A equal to B. That means this is the true condition. True condition, for true condition always output we will take output as 1. So this condition satisfy A and B are equal. Here X is, I have already written there, A is equal to B. So we have to check here for which condition A equal to B. So this is the condition where A equal to B, that is 0 0, and this is the condition where A equal to B. So these two for these two condition we will have output as 1 and 1. For remaining we have output as 0. Next, Y, where we have to check A greater than B. So what are the condition? In this case 0 0, so output is 0. Here A is equal to 0, B is 1. That means A is 0 means A is lesser than B. So we have output also 0. A is 1, B is 0. That means this is the condition where A is greater than B. So we will have the true condition. Then we have A is 1, B is 1. Obviously we have both the bits are equal, that's why I have to put 0. Then the third condition is we have to check when A is less than B. So we are going to check this. So where the first condition A, B are equal, that is 0. Second, A is less than B, because A is 0, B is 1. This is the condition where A is less than B. After that, A is greater, then we have A is 0. So now we have the truth table. Now we are going to write the expression for x, y and z in terms of A and B. Then how to write? So this is your truth table. So in this side I am going to explain you. So for x, so x is equal to, we have to take only one, we have to take the case, because we will write the expression in sum of product. So sum of product case we have to write where x is 1. So x is 1 for A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. That means x is equal to A bar and B bar, or x is 1 where A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. That means x is equal to A and B. And from the basic gates we have already know A bar and B bar or A and B, it is your nothing but your XNOR gate. That is A XNOR B. So we have x, y is equal to, then we will write the expression for y. So only one case where y is 1. So that is the case where A is 1 and B is 0. That means y is equal to A B bar. Then z. Similarly, for only one case z is 1. That is the case where A is 0 and B is 1. That means A bar B. So now we will design that logic expression into, we are going to implement that in logic circuit. So how to implement it? So in your examination they will give 5 marks question or 10 mark question like that. Design a 2-bit comparator. So this is the way. First we have to draw this like this. Second we have to draw the truth table. Third we write the logic expression, and fourth step is your implementation by using logic gate. Implementation. So how to implement this? So we have A and B. So you have to draw one XNOR gate. You already know the symbol for XNOR gate. So this is your XNOR gate, and we have to draw two AND gate. Here we have A and this is A complement, B and this is B complement. So for A you have to see like this, you have to give A and B here. This is A, this is directly I am applying A. So this is your A XNOR B. Here we have to give, this is your X. Then we have A B bar. So here you connect B. Here this is your A, this is your B bar, and this is your, after passing through this AND gate, the output will be A B bar, which is nothing but Y. Then we have this A bar B. So this is A bar and this is B. So we have A bar B, which is equal to Z. So this is your basic. I have implemented the logic by using logic gate. So this step is very important. writing the expression in sum of product form और draw the truth table। और ये स्टेप जो है सबसे इजी है क्योंकि आपको पता है कि कैसे ड्रॉ करना है सारे लॉजिक गेट्स, ठीक है। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर कॉम्बिनेशन लॉजिक सर्किट। सो नेक्स्ट क्लास विल स्टडी अबाउट sequential logic circuits. We will study about sequential logic circuit, which is very important with respect to your examination. So thank you.